The other weather stories this morning, some Texans are starting a long road to recovery after a deadly tornado outbreak in the Houston area. National Weather Service now confirming at least 5 tornadoes touched down on Saturday. At least one person was killed. Several others have been hurt. And in smaller towns like Alvin and Porter, the aftermath, it's heartbreaking. Homes and businesses flattened, roofs, windows blown out of other buildings. Many people telling us they were surprised how destructive the storm was, but also how fast it ramped up.
The back door flew open and I told my husband run, and we hid in the closet with our puppies.
I said, okay, we all need to get underneath the porch. Before I could get the word porch out of my mouth, we were all on the ground. And it just went, I've never seen wind like that before. It was a direct hit, no doubt. I mean, you can look and see it was a direct hit.
You can see that there. The tornadoes also downed countless trees, power lines as well. So the cleanup efforts continuing as we are rounding out this year and heading into 2025.